2. Lane 3 got Maharlika, Dracon A, and the Spitfire Dragons is in lane 4. Great lead for Lake Bui, leaving the competition behind in lane 1. Triton A going steady at it. Just look at that lead for lane 1, Lake Bui. Will the other 3 teams be able to catch up with only a few hundred meters left? It appears doubtful at this point.
Ano na yan? Wala na, di ba? Second na lang tatalunan yun. Oo, kasi parang fighter.
Ano yun? Nakakobra ba sila lahat?
Sa buwan nila, baka battery operated.
May propeller yata.
Wala na, grabe. Siguro na. Yung mga kinalpas-pos. All throughout. Starts lang.
And so goes Heat 4 for the open 300 meter standing category. Coming right up, Heat number 5 in the same category. We got Manila Dragon, 1925 Alpha, Manila Ocean Park B, and PDRT Fireblades in the water. Coming right up. Calling on the following teams, please proceed to the loading area. Onslaught Racing Dragons A, Manila Ocean Park A, and Rogue Pilipinas for heat number 6. Again, please proceed to the loading area. Onslaught Racing Dragons A, Manila Ocean Park A, and Rogue Pilipinas.
Army Coast Guard. Army Coast Guard buhi. Hindi, pero yung repa nila, ano eh. First, second, third, fourth. May repa, third, fourth.
Ay, kapag ganda na makisim. Pag sa mga tabak na gano'n ako.